Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making video on this book. The name of this book is The Laws of the Spirit World. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot cover this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you'll understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 18 video, 20 video, 43rd video, there is quite possibility that you get confused friends, okay? And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comments, friends. Okay. And friends, if you have, you can also connect me directly with me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. I will spell it for you, friends. Okay, it's ABHIMANYU BHATTACharjee 1906. Okay. And friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon so whenever I update a new video, you will get a notification, friends. Okay. Friends, in our last video, I've covered the topic called one of the earliest message given was there is no religion in the spirit world. We worship one God only. Then why are there different religion on earth? Okay. This was the last topic which I covered on the last video. And in today's video, I'm going to cover the topic called why do human beings find it hard to believe in God. Okay, so this topic and friend, this is the 170 number video, and the topic is why do human being find it hard to believe in God. Okay, so I will start it, friends. Okay, your views of God changes over the course of your life. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshet Bhavnagri that as on we take more and more life, the definition of the word God changes in our life. There are some who have a very strong belief in God when they are young, but grow up and lose faith in Him. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagri that there are many soul who believe in God very much when they are young, right? They believe in God, they love God, but at as on they grow up, they start growing up, the definition and the faith also on God changes, and they that much do not faith or keep faith on God when they grew up, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagri. One of the reason this happens is if you pray really hard for something and those prayers are not answered, you assume that God did not hear you and that He does not exist. So this thing happens because many a time we pray something to God, right? And we say that God, I want this, but we do not get that thing in our life. Our prayer remains unanswered. So we feel that no, God is not there because as our prayer is being not answered, so how could God be there and how could even God exist? So we stop faithing in God, and we don't faith in God, and that our faith somehow decreases in God, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagri. But the truth is that when a prayer remain unanswered, perhaps what you prayed for was not good for your spiritual growth. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagri that so whenever our prayer remain unanswered, so and that means whatever we prayed to God was not correct for our spiritual growth, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagri. You also lose faith in God when you have been subjected to injustice and you ask yourself why God does not provide justice. So one of the remain another reason also when we the faith in God decreases because when we ask for justice to God, because if something happened wrong to us and we ask justice to the God and we do not get the justice and we say where is the justice, right? So we feel bad, right? So this is the way, friends, and our faith decreases in God. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshid Bhavnagri that injustice could be your karma, test, or training. Sometimes when you are in a poor health, you pray to get better, but there is no change in your health. So you lose faith in God. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagri that sometimes this karma may be sometimes our test and training. So whatever wrong thing happened to us, it may be our test and training. And many a time when we are in a not good of good health, we pray to God, God please improve our health. but our health doesn't get improved. So we lose faith in God. We say, where is God's justice? I prayed to God, and even my health didn't improve. So we feel bad, right? And we feel cheated. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushik Bhavnagri. What you do not release is that you could be preying off negative karma by going through health problems. So what we cannot realize is that we can nullify our negative karma by paying off the karma. If anything wrong is happening to us, that means our that much karma is getting nullified and we are perfect friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushik Bhavnagri. There are other who have no faith in God when they are young, but over the time, a series of experiences help them to develop faith. So, on the other hand, there are many souls who have no faith on God when they are young, but as soon as they start growing up, some series of events happen in their life in such a way they start believing in the God, they start trusting in God, friends. Okay, so this Ripsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushik Bhavnagri. No matter what your experiences, understand that the choice to believe or not to believe in God is the most important one you have. So maybe whatever your experiences you're experiencing in life, but to believe God or not to believe God, it is completely in your hand, friends. Okay, it is completely in your hand. So there's Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushik Bhavnagri. When you are on earth, your memories of the spirit world is blocked from the physical mind. So when we are on the earth, friends, so our memories of the spirit world is completely blocked by our physical mind. However, you still have a connection to the spirit world through your subconscious mind. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagri that when we are on this earth plane, so our memories of the spirit world is completely blocked, right? But still we have a sense of memory of the spirit world through our subconscious mind. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushik Bhavnagri, friends. Okay, it is your subconscious mind that will guide you on earth and will help you believe that God exists. So it is our subconscious mind, friends, who is going to guide us and make us believe that God exists, and God exists, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushik Bhavnagri. The biggest problem today is that human beings are always looking for a scientific explanation of proof of God's existence. The subconscious mind is infinite. So here today, the in the earth plane, the biggest problem is that most of the souls, they want proof. If they say God is there, so they said proof me. So they are proof oriented, friends. Okay, the subconscious mind is infinite and our subconscious mind is infinite, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushik Bhavnagari. But science is born out of human intelligence, which is limited. So this is a very important statement, friends, right? Because science is born out of human intelligence by our physical mind, and which is very much limited, friends. Okay, and subconscious mind is limitless. It is unlimited, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushik Bhavnagari. The intellect that human process is capable of understanding God. So the intellect, whatever human process, is completely capable of understanding God, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushik Bhavnagri. God does not have to prove himself to us. We have to prove ourselves to God. So this is very important thing, friends. Because the statement is the God doesn't have to prove himself to us. We have to prove ourselves to God, because this the meaning of this statement, because God have already proved, right, that I am there. Because if God would not be there, then how would this mountain be there, how this earth will be there, how this rain happens, how the seas have been seas, ocean, how the sun have this much power. So God have already proved that I am there, my this is my creation. Now it is our time to prove our existence to God, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushik Bhavnagri. That is why we are on earth. We are not here to test God. So we are here on earth to prove ourselves, to prove our existence to God. So we have not came here to test God, right? To test God, God is there or not. So God is there, friends. Okay. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushik Bhavnagari. We are being tested to see if we choose the guidance of the subconscious mind over that the physical mind. So Here we are there to see that whether we are choosing our guidance of a subconscious mind over the physical mind, or we are not choosing that. So we are here to see that, friends, right? So God is testing us, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagari. Some people are extremely analytical and need logical answer for everything. So there are many souls who are very extremely analytical, and they need a logical answer for each and everything, friends. Okay. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagri. Faith and instinct play little or no part in their daily life. So faith and instinct play a little or a no part in the daily life, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagri. These are people who operate mainly from the physical mind. So these are the people who mainly operate from the physical mind, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagri. Or the intellect. In contrast, there are other who do not need logical answer for everything. So intellect also sometimes contracts, and those who believe in God, they do not need logical answer for anything. They just know God is there, right? So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnakri. They are able to move beyond rational, beyond the confines of earthly logic into the realm of the spirit. So they are able to move beyond the logical and beyond the realm of the spirit, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagri. So friend, those who doesn't know what is the realm, I will tell to you exactly what is the realm. So there are seven realm, friend. One, two, three realm is considered to be the hell. Fourth realm is considered to be neither hell neither heaven, and fifth, sixth realm is considered to be the heaven, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagri. It is only through your subconscious mind that you can experience God. So if we want to experience God, we can only experience God through our subconscious mind, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagri. You will never be able to understand God completely on earth, but you can experience Him by choosing God goodness. So in the earth, we cannot completely understand God, friends, right? Only we can choose by being a good path. We can experience Him, friends, right? So there's Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagari. Intelligence is a great gift, but only if it is used in harmony with the gifts the subconscious mind bring faith and wisdom. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagri that experience is the biggest gift, friends. Okay, and intelligence is the greatest gift, right? And if we use it in a proper way, we can definitely understand that God exists and God is there, friends. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagri. The fact that you cannot see God does not mean He does not exist, right? Many a times there is a fact that we cannot see God. That doesn't mean God exists, friends. God is not there. God exists, friends. Okay. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagri. The truth does not cease to be just because it is invisible to us. The truth does not cease because if something we cannot see, that doesn't mean that it is invisible, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagri. Our test on earth is to believe in something that we cannot see by listening to our inner voice. So our test in the biggest test in the earth is to believe in such a thing which we cannot see. We should only believe from our inner voice, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagri, friends. Okay. Sometimes human being have a very strong belief in God, but if sometime very pain occurs, such as the loss of child or spouse or a very strong injustice, the person tends to blame God and lose the faith in Him. So many a time people believe in God, but when something wrong happens to them, they lose their loved one, they lose their children, they lose their parents, they lose their spouse, then they say, God, I don't believe you because I have lost my loved ones in the earth. So how could I believe you? So their faith somehow shakens, right, friends? Okay. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagri. Yes, you no doubt feel pain, but instead of losing faith because of the pain, ask God to help you to go through it. Earth is a place where there is a great deal of injustice. So when we are in pain, apart from crying, we should pray God, God, please give us confidence so that we could face this problem, friends. Okay. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagri, and we should always love and respect God, friends, because God have created us and we are because of God. Good people suffer and bad people are often the ones in power. So good people suffer and bad people are often in power. And in this earth plane, many a times injustice happen, friends. So we many a time lose faith in God, but we should not lose faith in God, and we should believe God, friends. Okay. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagri. The ones who seems happy, there is a great imbalance on earth right now. That imbalance is our test and conflict. So one who the souls who are happy, so there is a quite great number of imbalance in earth, and this imbalance is currently going on in the earth, friends. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagri, and this is a our test and conflict, friends, by when a negative situation comes in our life, but still we should be happy, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagri, friends. Okay, our teacher, in spite of all the injustice you may witness, do you still have the courage to believe in God and have faith in His justice? So, apart from having many wrong things also in our life, we may feel and we may be in pain, right? But still, we should have the courage to love and respect God, friends. Okay, so this is our test and karma, friends. So, this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Porshit Bhavnagri. There will come a day when God will overpower evil, but until then, darkness is a challenge. So, there a day is going to come where God is going to overpower the evil, friends. But up to that moment, darkness is our challenge, friends. Okay. So, this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagari. God allowed darkness to exist so that good soul can be tested and trained eventually, when good will be in abundance on earth. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagri that God allows bad soul to be on the earth because eventually the good soul is going to be tested, right? And it is their test in the time of abundance. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagri. It will be easy to believe in God. You will surely feel His presence in abundance at the time. So because when a negative time will come in our life, and if we keep faith in God, God will definitely help, and our faith in God will increase more and more, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshan Bhavnagri, and our faith in God will increase. So God allow bad soul to be with good soul on the earth, friends. But if you fail to believe in God now, you will have not passed your test. So if you fail to believe the God in now, that means we are not going to pass our test, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshat Bhavnagri. In your life, you will see many things. You might see children suffering, innocent men and women becoming victims of war, murders going free, and innocent people being jailed. So, in our lifetime, we can see many things. We can see that innocent child suffering, men and women becoming victim, murders are happening, many wrong things are happening, innocents are going into jail, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshat Bhavnagri, but still we should not lose faith in God. You might be exposed to the worst crime, the worst form of injustice. At the point you will ask yourself, where is God? So there most negative point may comes in our life where we may get exposed to the negative, and we may ask, where is God's justice, right? Where is God? If God exists, why doesn't He do something? Why doesn't God stop this? So we may ask, where is God? If this thing is happening, where is God? Why does God doesn't stop all these things, friends? Okay, this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagri. Why doesn't God stop this? Well, God will not start this. Human did, God has given human being free will, and they will use their free will to make negative choices. So God have not started this negativity on the earth, friends. Okay, God have given free will to the human being, and human being have made these choices of doing negativity on the earth, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Porshit Bhavnagri. So right now negativity is increasing and good soul are being tested. So this is the time where negativity is increasing and good souls are being tested, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagri. Their faith is wavering, they are getting fearful and angry. So their faith is being shattered, they are getting fearful and angry, friends. Okay, but we should and they are being tempted to follow the wrong path. Many a times good soul are also being forced to follow the wrong path, but we should not follow the wrong path, we should be in godly good path. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. There will come a point when nature itself will erase negativity. So there a point is going to come. So nature is going to only erase negativity, friends. Okay. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. At the time, more and more soul will be drawn to spirituality. So at that time, more and more souls will is going to go towards the spirituality, friends. Okay. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. But do not wait for the moment. Make a positive choice now so that when the moment comes, you will have passed your test. So don't wait for the moment. Make a positive choice now. So whenever that moment is going to come in your life, you would already been passed from the test, friends. Okay. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. It is very easy to move towards the light when it is in abundance, when there is very little temptation. So at this point of time, it is very easy to move towards light when there is a lot of abundance, friends. Okay, and there is a lot of temptation. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. But it is extremely hard to embrace light when it is care on earth, when negative soul are doing all they can to be draw you away from it. So at this point of time, it is very easy to go towards God, because negativity is in its extreme form. So we, even if we do little good karma, we are going to get lot of blessing for it, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. Think of yourself as a warrior and earth as your spiritual battleground. So we should think ourselves as a warrior, and this earth is our spiritual battleground, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. Do you give do you give in dark into darkness, because it is the easiest thing to do. So do we give darkness, because it is going to be the easiest thing to do, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. Do you give into darkness because it gives you the illusion of strength and power. So we should give up darkness because it gives us a situation of strength and illusion, strength and power, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. Do you give in because of fear? So do we give it because of fear? So these are the question which Vipsi and Ratu is asking to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. Or do you have the wisdom to understand that darkness is your test, and that you must have the courage to fight it and choose God, to choose light, even it is a much harder choice. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari that if any negative thing also comes in our life, any problem comes in our life, we should not leave goodly God path. We should keep trust in God. We should love God, and we should always follow the correct path, and we should not go in the negative path, friends. Okay, and we should be on goodly God path. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. The strength of a true seeker depends on the strength of his subconscious mind. So the strength of a true seeker completely depends on the strength of his subconscious mind, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. That is why you spend so much time in the spirit world developing it. So this is the reason we spend so much time on spirit world for by developing it, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. Because you know what kind of place you are going to, and for the reason. So because we know at earth is what kind of place and what kind of a place we are going to go, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. This is why good and evil exist, so that you can move away from the evil and choose good. So this is the reason that good and evil exist, so that we can go away from the evil and we can choose good in our life, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. Negativity exists so that your free will can be tested. So negativity exists so that our free will can be tested, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. If there was no negativity, there would be no temptation. So this is a very important statement, friends. If there is no negativity in the earth, there would be no temptation, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. And there would be no opportunity to exercise free will. So there would have been no opportunity to exercise free will, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagri. Make the right choice. Resistance come first. Resist temptation. So we should make the right choice, and the resistance come first, and we should resist temptation, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagri. Action comes next. So after that, action comes, friends. Okay, God is our creator. He is a supreme being who is wise, just, and loving. So, God is our creator and He is supreme being and He always loves us, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagari. You can understand Him through Godness. The more you try to analyze God, and the more you are distancing yourself from Him. So, we can understand God by more we are trying to analyze God, more we will go away and we are creating a distance from a God. So, there is no need to analyze God, friends, because God exists, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Poshat Bhavnagri. And the more you are denying yourself the chance to feel the peace that he can bring. So more we are losing the chance to feel the peace that he can bring in our life, friends. Okay, so there's Ipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshat Bhavnagri. God is not merely an idea or a way of thinking. He exists in the form, but he is unseen on the earth for a reason. So God is not an idea. He exists on the earth, and he is been unseen particularly for a reason, friends. Okay, so this Ipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshat Bhavnagri. And even this is our test, friends. Okay, so this Ipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshat Bhavnagri. We are all looked after by a compassionate, wise, and just God. So we all are looked after the wise and compassionate God, friends. Okay, so this Ipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshat Bhavnagri. He is truly almighty and he cares about all his creation and wants us all to follow the right path. So we are all creation of God and he cares for us in a very fantastic way and he is always with us, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshat Bhavnagri. We all have a chance to be blessed by him. So we also have a chance to be blessed by God, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshat Bhavnagri. But to have his blessing, you must take the first step by choosing goodness. So, to get the blessing of the God, so we should choose the first step of the goodness, friends. Okay, so this Ipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshat Bhavnagri. To know God is to know ourselves. So if we want to know God, so we need to know ourselves because God in a way exists in us only, friends, in the form of a soul, friends. Okay, so this Ipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshat Bhavnagri. Discover who we are and discover his goodness with us. So we should discover who we are and we should recognize us and we should recognize who is God, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshed Bhavnagri. So friends, today in our today's video I have covered the topic called why do human beings find it hard to believe in God. So this topic I've covered, friends, and friends, this topic of today's the chapter God also finished, and in our next video I will be covering the chapter called prayer, friends. Okay, so now, friends, this topic came to an end, and friends, as I always say, this book is this long, and I cannot cover this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video, so you can understand it in a better way, friends. Okay, and friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you will understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing video 18, video 20, video 43 video, there is quite possibility that you get confused, friends. Okay, and friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comment, friends. Okay. And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly connect with me on Instagram because my Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharya 1906. I will spell it for you, friends. Okay, it's ABHIMANYUBHATTACHARJE 1906. And before proceeding further, I would like to tell you, friends, who subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon, so whenever I update a new video, you will get a notification, friends. Okay. And friends, I always recommend you to read this book, because this book is going to give you a new dimension, and you can see your life in a very new way, and you will get a new perspective in your life, friends. Okay. And friends, this brings to end of today's video. I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, be happy, and we will meet you in the next video, friends. Okay, till then, goodbye, take care.